2012 Roush RS3 Mustang, factory rated at 540 flywheel horsepower. I'm gonna take this up a couple notches. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, hit the date for all videos like this. Let's get to it. Hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Pretty pumped today. 2012 Mustang, it's an RS3 Roush. These were 540 horsepower from the factory. Now, we just installed our 710R upgrade package. So if you have an RS3 floating around 540 horsepower, which isn't very much, you can just get the upgrade I'm gonna show you here in a second. Or if you have a normal GT, you can get the entire kit. But basically, we rate this at 710 flywheel horsepower with free flowing exhaust. So set of headers, high flow cats, but this doesn't have that. This is just factory exhaust manifolds, factory cats. It's gonna be down a little bit on power at the flywheel. It's still gonna come out really good. Probably gonna lay between 590, 600 rear wheel horsepower on our Dyno jet. But basically you get the 2.3 liter supercharger, the Roush cold air intake system, larger fuel injectors, fuel pump upgrade, and our 82 millimeter pulley. And we run a 90 millimeter idler to keep the belt nice and tight. Load the calibration on, and there you go. So again, this package is available. You know what? I'm gonna put links in the description so you can read more about it, because you're probably gonna have more questions. As always, if you want something like this installed, email quote@brenspeed.com. But I'm ready to download this car. It's pretty hot in here today. I think it'll still come out pretty good. So I say let's do it right now. Check out these numbers, which actually came out really good. I got a little joke about these numbers when I tell you in a minute, but I was just looking at this car. I really like the red on black. I mean, I've not seen a lot like this, and up close and personal, I think it's pretty cool. I wouldn't have thought of ordering an RS3 like this at the time, but being around it, it's something I could totally drive every single day. Something else I didn't mention is cooling mods. I'll put a link in the description. You want to do cooling mods, this power level right here, which is going to consist of thermostat, fan, and then we like the radiator and cylinder head cooling kit. But check this out, classic 599.48, and then torque 511 across the board. The reason I was kind of laughing about that 599.48 is, you know, it's just a dyno number. I don't really care. I look at the data log and I know everything's good, but like it's so close to that 600 rear wheel horsepower mark. I could probably let the car cool, make another pull, might make 608. I mean, who knows, might make less. But every time I do that and I look over and I'm like, really, 599.48? Why couldn't it just been 600.01? I can't even round that number up to 600. All right, wait. So I had to make another pull for my client to watch, and we did break the 600 mark. So all my little jokes earlier, whatever. Check it out. All right, 613 in the tires, 7,000 RPM, 510 torque. Hey, this is just a good example of numbers can go up or down. I was kind of thinking they were going to go down a little bit, but I did do a pretty good cool down in our temperature. We had a really good swing. But anyways, nice numbers, 630 in the tires, it's going to be a killer car. So don't forget, next step on a car like this are the Cook's headers, free flowing exhaust. That's what I like to see on the 710R package, as well as the cooling mods I talked about earlier. And don't forget, leave a comment, happy to answer. And the package just looked at does fit 11 to 14 Mustangs, just a GT, or if you have the Roush car already with the blower, you just get the upgrade package. Again, I'll leave links in the description so you can read more about it. And don't forget, email quote@brenspeed.com to see how much this costs to get installed in your Mustang. Thanks for watching.